Hey guys, welcome to my Sunday From. Welcome back guys, this is another recipe. This is gonna be inmate tiramisu. We're gonna make a prison recipe, so it was highly requested that I make a dessert. So thank you for joining me again, and I hope you cook along this jailhouse recipe and enjoy. So right now I'm warming up some hot water and getting it ready because we're gonna start cooking. And for the ingredients today, I have this is Swiss Mocha Cafe. This is basically coffee, cappuccino or something. So I have this 0-calorie sweetener in place of sugar because I don't eat sugar. And then here's some Maria cookies. These are just biscuits, just regular cookies. They're just plain, and they look like crackers, but so the next thing I got is chocolate. I have this chocolate, it's organic chocolate, but it's just a candy bar, just regular chocolate bar. It says 38% cacao. And then I have some pudding. You like pudding? This is vanilla pudding, sugar-free, just plain vanilla pudding. And so let's get started with the actual cooking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna warm up this chocolate, and I'm gonna make this coffee right here. So we'll get started on the chocolate. I'm just gonna open it up. And I guess just add it to a bowl. Careful with that aluminum, you don't want to get that in your system. And I'll break it into pieces. Try to get them small. And we'll warm it up and see what that comes out. So I'm gonna warm it up, and I'm gonna stir it and see how it does. So I have this, it's like cappuccino, but it's just coffee basically. And here's what it looks like inside. It's just instant coffee. And I'm gonna put some in here. It says, let's see what's the directions. It says 12 ounces of boiling water and 2 rounded tablespoons into the mug. So that's 2. And give it a stir. Let's see. That looks good. Okay, so that's dissolving, and I'm gonna set it aside because we're gonna need it to cool down before we use it. Not all the way, but okay. So the chocolates, let's see how the chocolate's doing. The chocolate is melted, and ooh, it's like burnt on the top. Let me get rid of this burnt part and see if I can get rid of this burnt part right here. Just put it on that and mix the rest. See, this part's burnt. Oh, it's melted. I just wanted it creamy. Let's see. I was hoping it would get creamy. So I put it on for like a minute and a half. Like I said, you gotta watch it and stir it, mix it up. And make sure it doesn't burn like mine. I probably do like maybe 35 seconds, 40 seconds, and then stir it. So, oh, it made a hole. Okay. And then I'll put these snack packs, I'll put like 2 in the other bowl. And the sweetener, I'll put like 3. Yeah, I'll put like 3 in here just to thicken it a little bit. Maybe I'll put 2 more. This is special dessert. Yeah, that looks good, right? Just mix it and it gets thicker, and just let it sit a little bit. Don't warm it. Like, make sure it doesn't get warm, because then it'll get liquidy and you want to be able to work with it. So just set it aside somewhere cool and let it do its thing. So we're gonna try to work fast here. So these cookies, sometimes they're broken. We're just gonna use the good ones. So they're kind of all a bit chipped, but they're still good. So maybe I'll do like 5 on the bottom. And what you do is you just like dip them on both sides. Just dip them and put them down. Just dip them. Put them down. Put one in the center, and then just like right. Just dip them. That. Then we're gonna put chocolate on the top and spread it like this. Spread it. So usually tiramisu doesn't have that many layers, but you can put as many layers as you want. You know, you're the one that's gonna have to cut it, so put as many as you want. See that? It's already getting cold. As it cools, it gets harder to work with. So then put it down and get this mixture right here, this pudding, and just put some on the top of that, the cookies, like that. And then you spread it. Try to keep it centered like that. And then do it again. This time I'm just gonna skip it and just put some chocolate on it. Some pudding on it. That's good. Let's do it again. Done. And the top, like the top, you just put like cocoa powder on the top. I think like if you have like hot chocolate, you can just use that, or you know what, you can probably just use that that cappuccino mix if that's all you got. Like you don't have plain cocoa powder, you can probably use hot chocolate or that cappuccino mix. It's mocha flavored, so it's got chocolate in it, so it's not like gonna be horrible. If you like coffee flavor, then you probably would use that anyway, or whatever flavor you have. And then this is like the last layer, so just put that on the top. cookies, guys. It's worth it. That's good. And now you put the cacao powder on it. So I have some, and I'm just gonna try to see if I can gently sprinkle some on there. Let's see. Just like that. Like this. So this is what you have. And then you just let it sit, let it do its thing, and we'll be back and see how it goes. So here we are. Let's see how we did. I let it sit for like a minute or two, and let's see how we did. So it's still crispy, which is fine, but you kind of want it to be a little bit softer. So let's try it. This is good. I'm gonna actually try the cappuccino. That is so good. It's like it's really good, like the chocolate, the candy, and the biscuit, and the creaminess of the pudding is so good together. And I think like the coffee is like a little, it's kind of like a little aftertaste. So like you get all the flavors in the cookie itself, but like it's not just a cookie, it's like a whole dessert. I think the most commonly, like the most favorite dessert, like when people order out or whatever, like when they eat out, I think it's tiramisu. And I can see why, because this is like 10 out of 10, guys. Like, you guys need to try this. So I hope you do try my recipe, try all my recipes, watch all my videos. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you again. Goodbye.